What's up, pigeons? The chaos of being a pigeon. We got a few birds here in the morning. They've been showing up real heavy in the morning because of the afternoon time. It's just too dark. And these pigeons are like, hey, you're not home yet, so we're just not stopping in the afternoons anymore. But daylight savings time is tonight. And at that point, we are going to go ahead and feed some pigeons in the afternoon again, because hopefully we'll be here when they show up. Oh, man. What is going on, guys? Was it Gina? Is Gina here scaring you guys? I don't know who Gina is, but it's her fault. Look at this little pigeon patrol. Everything gets eaten quickly. Yeah, we've been having some bad weather around here, but that's Washington for you. Got all these fat mushrooms in our yard. Squirrels, crows, bunnies. Everybody's been digging up our yard, so it looks like crap. But you can't tell from all the dead leaves. Oh, man. There was a pigeon that just set it off big time. You guys got to get your flying together. Disjointed little pigeons. There you go. They've rejoined. It's a nice little formation, guys. Alright, I'm gonna pause and go get you a little more food. Be right back. And we're back with some more food. Brought to you by Nancy's. Hi, guys. Ready? I'm gonna do the over-the-shoulder boulder thrower. That really threw him to a loop. Yeah, it's just one big path of bird food right through here. I don't know, if I get too close, will they fly? Look at that big old mushroom. Come popping right out the ground. The pigeons. The line of pigeons feeding. There's food everywhere, guys. You're just looking for all the good stuff. So much extra sunflower seeds in this batch right now. Where are you going? Where are you going? You're just on a little mission. He's on a little mission. Yeah, I knew that one was coming. The crows were down the street cawing. There's no threat. It's just me. Ooh. Yeah, that was a false alarm big time, guys. Alright, guys, I'm going to go in. I'm going to let you guys eat out here in peace. Maybe Mr. Crow's going to mess you all up, but there's no threat out here right now. It's all good. Alrighty, that's a nice little look. All the pigeons on the edge. Alright, guys, go eat. You're all looking hungry. Go get it. Tell all the other pigeons hi. We'll see you later. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.